Okay, yeah, this is my third take. I'm not gonna restart because honestly, it's been a while since I been in front of the camera. What? Quick thumbnail picture, you know. Yeah, quick thumbnail picture, but yeah, this exhaust is samples right now. Steel Yonaka exhaust for 09 and 14 TSX. They just came out with this, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be the first one to be making a video on this. This video is just strictly unboxing because I don't have all the parts to put on the car yet, and because I'm getting a header too, PLM header, but that's on order. I'm gonna make sure the exhaust video, it's gonna be thorough, like how my other ones are. So I'm just letting you guys know right now. This box is kind of heavy. I mean, I'm like Hercules, so it was easy for me. But if you're like scrawny and whatever, you might hurt yourself picking this up. You need to have some like leg muscles and stuff. You gotta squat, lift it up, and be able to put it in your car. I didn't even put this in my TSX. I put it in my Z. I can include a picture. But just keep in mind, like it's not a light box. I bought this from Garage 16. It's in here in Mississauga, Ontario. So if you guys know, you know. Jeez. Okay, hold on. Yeah, so that's what it looks like when you first open the package, you know. Yeah, no, so it comes with comes with all your gaskets and bolts and stuff. You never know if you're the ones, or most likely the ones on your car is gonna be rusty. So that's proper still. Comes with a plate frame. Yeah, this is proper. You know. Probably not gonna run it because I have my smoked license plate cover. I like that better, so you never know, you can put that on a different car. Comes with that shirt. Comes with their shirt. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wear this if it fits, you know, but it fits. Maybe, I don't know. Comes with stickers. What was this? Oh yeah, white and black. A little thank you card, you know. What is this? It's a hat? Oh yeah. It's a beanie, or it's a winter hat. So I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear this shit, you know. Gotta, you know, represent Yonaka. But yes, see the actual exhaust now. I'm probably not gonna unwrap it, but okay, I lied. This video is kind of like a few months after the previous clip you've seen, so don't question it, just watch. But yeah, you can see this thing is very quality, so why not raise it up. You can see the bottom of the muffler. It says Yonaka at the bottom, so that is very proper still. Also, so I'll drop it. You can see, pretty sure this is just a straight through muffler, so you'll get more sound. You know, hopefully it sounds good, you know. Oh shoot. But you can see the welds are really good. Even on the hangers, the flanges. I'll show you other muffler. That's good. That's good. And then this is the Y pipe. You can see how they welded that there. Yeah, no, the welds are pretty good. I don't know if it's a machine that did it or a person that welded it, but obviously they don't look perfect, but they look good. See? The resonator, the hangers. But yeah. And but I set this up how it's supposed to sit in the car, so this is like the proper way. If you know, yeah, it goes like that in the car. So next time you'll see this in the car, and hopefully, you know, sounding like a kitten purring. I don't know. I'm trying to be funny, but I can't right now. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be very honest. Since like this exhaust just came out, I don't know how it's gonna sound like, because there's no videos on YouTube on this exhaust. Like I've seen videos on YouTube, like for Yonaka in general, they make, you know, good sounding exhaust, but you know, every car is different. So I'm technically gonna be the first, you know, hopefully, you know, nobody uploads before me, but I'm gonna be the first one on YouTube to, like, you know, have sound clips. But I'm gonna have I'm buying the PLM header, or I bought the PLM header. It's taking some time to come in, because that also just came out, the PLM header. So it's gonna be downpipe and a catback exhaust combination. So I have no idea what it's gonna sound like on the car. Like, I'm taking a gamble, honestly, because I was gonna get the Gertie, but that's like double the price of this exhaust. So I'm just gonna, you know, hope, you know, it sounds good. But anyways, stay tuned for the exhaust video. I won't disappoint you guys.